In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new volume on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Go button up in the menu bar, and then go down and select where it says Utilities. And then you want to double click on where it says Disk Utility. And now that we are in here, you want to select where it says up at the top where it says Volume. Go ahead and select the plus button. You're going to go ahead and give it a name. You can adjust the format type as well as size options by selecting that. You can fill all that information in here and then select OK to save and then add and give it a moment. And you can also view details as it's doing it and select done once it's finished. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.